Look at these realistic, stunning videos. First, take a look at this realistic video with smooth movements and lifelike details. Notice how natural everything looks, from the lighting to the textures. This insane video generator makes it easy to create professional quality content like this in just seconds. Next, here's another example, a creative and dynamic video with cool effects. Whether it's for social media or personal projects, it helps you create eye-catching content effortlessly. And finally, check out this high-quality 3D animation. The details are sharp, and the motion is incredibly smooth. It's perfect for anyone looking to create visually stunning videos without spending hours editing. These examples show just how versatile and powerful this AI video generator is. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can create amazing videos with ease. It's perfect for TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube. The best part, it's completely free to start, and the quality is as good as paid tools. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool makes it easy to create professional-looking videos. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a new update of Pixverse, which is Pixverse 3.5, a free AI animation video generator. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, let's get into the steps. First, open your browser and go to the Pixverse website. You'll see the homepage with a big login button at the top right corner. Click on it. You can log in using your Google, Apple, or Discord account. I'll use Google for this tutorial. It's quick and easy. Just choose your account and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On the homepage, you'll see options like Create and different animation tools. For now, just click on the Create button to start making your video. That's it. You're ready to create your first AI animation. Now, let's create a video step by step. After clicking Create, you'll see a screen with two main options. You can either upload an image or video, or you can write a prompt. For this tutorial, I'll write a prompt. Just type your idea in the text box. For example, I'll write, "A cat dancing in a city at night." Next, you need to choose the version of Pixverse. I recommend using Pixverse 3.5 because it's the most advanced and gives the best results. You can find this option in a drop-down menu. Just click on it and select 3.5. If you want to make your video more interesting, you can add effects. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the effects section. There are many cool effects like muscle set, squid game, or smoking vibe. I'll choose smoking vibe for this video. It's perfect for TikTok or Instagram content. Now, let's pick a style for the video. You can choose from options like anime, 3D animation, comic, or cyberpunk. I'll go with 3D animation because it looks very professional. If you want better quality, you can turn on turbo mode. It's optional, but it makes your video look more detailed and polished. You can find this option below the style selection. You can also add transitions between scenes. If you have a character you want to use, you can upload it here. There's also an auto character prompt to help you get better results. This is great if you want consistent characters in your video. Now, set the video length. You can choose between 5 seconds, 8 seconds, or more. I'll go with 8 seconds for this video. Finally, choose the aspect ratio. For YouTube, use 16:9. For TikTok, use 19:16. I'll pick YouTube aspect ratio. Once everything is set, click the Create button. Your video will be ready in just a few seconds. It's that fast and easy. Once your video is generated, you have some extra options to make it even better. If you want, you can add lip syncing to your video. This is great if you're adding dialogue or music. Just click on the lip sync option and follow the steps. If your video is too short, you can extend its length. This is helpful if you need a longer clip for your project. There's also an option to upscale your video to 4K resolution. This makes your video look super sharp and professional, especially if you're sharing it on platforms like YouTube. When you're happy with your video, simply click the download button to save it to your device. That's it. Your video is ready to use wherever you need it. Let me show you a few examples of videos I created using Pixverse 3.5. This first one is an anime-style animation of a forest scene. Notice how smooth and detailed it looks. The second example is a 3D animation of a futuristic city. The lighting and textures are amazing, right? And this last one is a comic-style video with a funny character. You can see how consistent and realistic the animation is. These videos were all made in just a few seconds, and they're perfect for TikTok, YouTube, or even AI influencer content. Pixverse 3.5 makes it so easy to create professional-looking videos without any hassle. And that's it. In this tutorial, we covered everything you need to know to start using Pixverse 3.5. From logging in and creating your first video to adding effects, styles, and downloading your final result. It's all simple and straightforward. Pixverse 3.5 is a powerful tool for both beginners and professionals. And the best part is, it's completely free. So why wait? Start creating your own AI animations today and see how easy it is to bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching and happy creating. Slazer afring it online. Slayas, scaffing it out, but if surfing it, you're all half no beer thirps getting as eager as one is meaning if you're better like you. I was just in it. As that, I signed it either side of Nickel and Chef for Gay Busy was this game. Half no beer thirps get. Knockers knows me I in the Vero. But it's weak. I guess you're for bread. Snack I see if it's a nitty more side of Z. And a shame and I get silly when it's not a snick by his snippy. Right enough for the way that lads come off as an old style sitting there. Scouring as the immersers casting it out. It's gets our sheaf of a shame and I eat here with the all mask in the casset. Scarlet light eating the doom, size it on. It's off of a shame and I'll out see him and as a no turf said. Half no beer thirst getting as he did air gas I eat it was all mask gooey for you a shame belt. That ain't your barrel so you see that so I eat it for you. As that. Salvador is the best sitting up done lies with guilt miss. I eat it very gooey by her. Speak else more mouth nothing er sure fail shaps. All shaffer never sure we scullied first game sit. Shills every hero fish guide every like spot in the Shmano saucer. Now for your filter all letting me fill off boxes in. Else the next gonna be. Throw shoes so eat every fit. Spats of the off net. Nesh pogging a spill on the gilk such. As the all hiding it Irish video existed. I eat every making a spill down a key. Now we fit. I've never again it's in the Shmar scat must be. There and so eat every snow. Seen it's half that's the. I see if it's a need a real way to breathe. Up the air, get guilt. I sing it there as no. I share caps I wish we get bought. Needs get sneezing on sea. Guys get your on needs get sweet. Wish do your. I share caps I eat sush. Hail enough. I have said of snake I see the wiggle. Almost snake I see. Snake I smell near the position you eat. I'll eat of it this. And I bring us their great. It's a snake no we fit air. Slaughter with that big fly his mouth break right good on. No, it's slaughter. Rated up on a beat. So he's no years great. Go baby. Stands near tips and the shiz and there's now a sonic beat. And a shall slats the level of the schmass and off Nicky. Shall off the last eat your own below the first game bit of. On schmass it. I'm a verse non earth Nicky. It'll all good have no week. On shaffer bear if school is like it. And a sham and I eat here with the wiggle. Copper bastro. Cam off. And the sham and I eat here with ham and I gals and the schmam or sush Nicky. I eat over the fly sick up still. Line. Knock my rich narrow. God, guess you're forget for stick. I'd have said if we have me clump sush what. We have me clump so. May dukes. Has so some gals scaffle in a mirth. Scaffy these sleep. Nerves of it as scour up. Scaff it on a beat. That's there's narrow way to very game is no weaving. Half no beer with scallus nick. Stand on kill such. And I might powers done it in the schmass sitting off Nicky. Slaughter habits big next. I have the some but there's a good half no beer with herbs getting as he never go around. Herbs get finisher of a douche that need me. Scan. And latest sending his knife dash. Yeah, right, all my skill. Scops got the night, now he got such. Smart but I rot. I always did say the smart but I don't know. I never name in the old butter than Nicky. Spawny and least film near sea sleep. Yeah, you're nickel grip. That's out that side of video still. Line. Sham and I answer for gear could be that roy. That's that. I bring you game drops and up gear can not kill such blind or slow as the sham and I nervous neck. Yeah, you're girls in the spy sleep. Scared more no. The package name of law or was a sieve. I hope side to the sleep. I know there's no. I call it not very such. I see Nick Oakstick. I wrote it to the full good see you. I can oak sit girl all that all good bring is Nick all Nicky. Stand I kill. No care past it and up Nick all get but those scared more huddy sleep. I suppose they're skip for the doing it. Here's our bring it up. Surf. Smash to the knit excel. One. And right stick still. I can see why there was. Aaron has died of the shame and I ear. Half no beer third skip situ. Surf skip for it bowing the US and young met oils to see it with me. Side of Nickel on chef for beer is easy to skin most sid. Our barrel and I give you though. Slow skips it up as eat a lock and the trots at your field mixed it. Drops had but it's been a viral. Margaret Snick. I guess you're forget for stick. See those 8 of museum but air Nicky. Our barrel and I give you though. Sarah and I do it VEO symbol for what now I asked to serve why such do so fast gesehen. As er in up slide up so you didn't not seal shift gear could need to know in earth get first. So I'm seal but everything is in a show man. Rushers like these but sham an idea with the all yeah said like us. He'll enough ne. He'll sell her fatness knocking is not got here who spite it. Sky's not monster bro. I didn't much was surf there though. Sky look the way they've given out in the video. Oh my scared on the street. Sky. As such ne said gal nas knock it all one chef for gear could easy to skim her there and I do it in yes in the sieve. Search guys to the need Ellen or skull at your or stein my sit on. Slice beat gal fell next and boom the white of gets a sit the go look at. Sir, side of me not skits a receipt the go.